You know, it's been so long since we videotaped anything. Yeah. Oh.
A glow stick.
What's a glow stick?
It's a necklace.
Oh, that's a very, very nice necklace.
It only glows in the dark.
It does? It doesn't glow in the day?
No, it doesn't glow in the
Oh.
day.
There's Lizzie. And Ben's not around right now.
Yeah.
It's been so long since we videotaped.
Well, I think this is one of the first times we better have gotten Lizzie walking, didn't we?
Yeah, we got her walking. Not like this.
No, she's full steam ahead now. Lizzie! Are you gonna go play with the Abby? Can you play, John? No.
Uh-oh. Sin,
Hey, Abby, don't get wet.
Sin, she's close to the edge.
No, Lizzie! Lizzie! What were you gonna tell me?
I thought you were watching her.
No!
I'm videotaping. I can't interfere. I can't, as a cameraman, I can't interfere with nature. Oh. What's up over there?
Good job, Abigail.
Abby, go through. Don't follow, Abby. Don't follow.
Ooh. Yeah? Okay, go ahead. Let me see. What's this? Oh. Oh. Oh, look at this. This is so contrived because
Please don't let her get wet out either, okay?
I won't.
Can I see? Can I do a picture of Mom?
Hi, Farmer Neil.
Hi, Neil.
There's Farmer Neil over there. How are the crops, Neil? Looking good. What can I do for you?
Watch out! Oh, jeez. Okay.
All right, here. Okay.